Hi, I'm interior stylist Kerrie-Ann Jones. Today I've teamed up with Adairs to show you some quick and easy styling tips for your master bedroom using their new spring collection. One of the trends you'll see this spring is Australian flora and fauna. I love this quilt cover for the Australian bird life and koalas. As a rule, if there's a pattern in the quilt cover, I use a plain colour sheeting and vice versa. Today I've used a plain linen sheet set as I want the quilt to be the focal point. As you might know, linen is a classic trend that gives you a relaxed look all year round. To complete the look, I've styled these dusty pink and eucalyptus green cushions, which are colours found in the bed linen and sheets. Rattan furniture is not only affordable, but it looks great too. I love this rattan bed head with the looped detail. If you're stuck on what colours work with rattan, you can't go wrong with white. But I think an earthy colour palette of clay, wattle yellow and eucalyptus work with the natural element of rattan. There are so many ways to style your pillows and cushions on your bed. I'm going to show you two ways, a formal style and a relaxed style. For the formal bed, I like to use European pillows at the back and layer with standard pillows in the front. Then add 3 cushions and make sure all are neatly arranged and standing up. For a relaxed bed, I don't use European pillows. I just double stack the pillows or I just play around with them. Or you can mix up the pillows, having one upright and one laying down. There you have it, 3 easy styling tips you can put into action straight away. Thanks for joining me at Adairs Insider Class.